And I'm back with another video. And I'm a little under the weather, so my voice, you're gonna have to bear with me because I don't have my voices here and there. But I just came across another one of these free apps where you can make money for free. And this is called Ebates. And basically what Ebates is, it's a place where you can earn cash back, where they're partnered up with all these different stores that you can shop with them. Excuse me, shop with these stores online and receive cash back. And as you can see here, some of the stores, and I know a lot of people shop with Amazon, Walmart, eBay, but a lot of people shop with Amazon. So this would be perfect for the Amazon shopper that spends a lot of money, because you can join this for free, and all you do is connect your your debit card to this, and when you use that card, or if you go to the store, just make sure you don't use the debit, you use the credit, so you can get your cash back. But this is a free way where you can earn cash just off of just off of spending money that you already spending anyway, and get paid for it. As you can see, Kohl's, Gap, Macy's, Best Buy, Microsoft, Sirius Radio, um, Dyson's. There's tons of stores on here. Some of these stores I never even heard of, but this is a spot where you can. Oh, Dell looks good. I like electronics, so I'm gonna have to check that out. Adam and Eve. Oh, they're hooked up. They got a little bit of everything. I just joined maybe like an hour ago, and I haven't really had a chance to go through everything, but I just wanted to share this with my subscribers. But this is a free site, another free way to make money, because I know people are looking for a free way to make money. So here's another one. Here's another site where you can earn some free money, and they have a referral plan, and you can earn up to $25 for referring people. So, and basically, in a nutshell, all you're doing is spending money and getting cash back. And then if you share this with family and friends, and they come in and spend money, you can earn $25 over and over again. So if you can share your link, buy stuff, share your link, and if you can get people to this could turn into a massive income stream. That's $25 over and over. If you can get 10,000 people to this, and just 1% of that is 1,000. Well, I'd say 10%. You get 1,000 people. That's $25,000 from a free opportunity, just for something that people are already engaging with anyway. They're already spending money, so why not introduce them to this? And they're already spending money anyway, and then they get money back, and then there's more money they can spend all over again. And that's basically it in a nutshell. I'm not gonna keep you on this video too long because I know people's attention span isn't long. So like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave my link in the description if this is something that you wanna take a look at. See you on next video. Peace.